Have you ever waited until tax season to find out how much you owe? If so, you're not alone. But here's something many people don't realize. By the time your tax return is being prepared, many opportunities to legally reduce your tax liability have already passed. Welcome to Let's Talk Wealth Wednesday. I'm Shawana, founder of Topaz Business Solutions. At Topaz, we help you navigate taxes, accounting, and business strategy through sound planning, smart business practices, and the principles of wise stewardship, so they can legally reduce their tax liability, scale their business, and build lasting wealth. This is Let's Talk Wealth Wednesday, where faith meets finance and wisdom builds wealth. Now let's talk about today's topic. Let's begin with tax preparation. Tax preparation is the process of reporting financial activity that has already occurred. You're gathering your documents, reporting your income, claiming eligible deductions, preparing your tax forms, and filing your return accurately. Think of tax preparation like driving while looking through your rearview mirror. You're looking back at decisions you've already made. Now, don't misunderstand me. Tax preparation is incredibly important. Every individual and every business needs accurate tax preparation. But preparing your tax return and planning your taxes are two completely different things. Tax strategy is proactive. Instead of asking what happened last year, you're asking what decisions can I make today that could positively impact my taxes tomorrow. That's why strategy happens before important decisions are made, before purchasing equipment, before hiring employees, before changing your business structure, before making major financial decisions, because timing matters. Think about your annual checkup. You don't wait until you're seriously sick before visiting your doctor. Preventative care helps identify problems before they become major issues. Financial planning works the same way. Tax preparation tells you what happened. Tax strategy helps prepare you for what's ahead. Here's the biggest misconception. Many people believe tax planning begins during tax season. In reality, that's often when it's already too late. The best tax strategies are implemented long before it's time to file your return. Imagine two business owners earning exactly the same income. One waits until tax season. The other plans throughout the year. By December, both earned the same income, but only one had the opportunity to make strategic financial decisions before the year ended. That's the difference tax strategy can make. At Topaz Business Solutions, we believe education comes before preparation, because when you understand your finances, you make better decisions. And better decisions lead to stronger businesses, greater confidence, and lasting financial success. As I think about today's conversation, I'm reminded of Proverbs 21:5. The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance, but everyone who is hasty comes only to poverty. Planning isn't just smart business, it's an act of wise stewardship. God has entrusted each of us with resources, opportunities, and responsibilities. When we manage those faithfully, we position ourselves to make wise decisions that honor Him and support the future we're working to build. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share a brief disclaimer. The information shared in today's episode is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only, and is intended to provide a general understanding of tax, accounting, and business concepts. It should not be considered legal, tax, accounting, or financial advice for your specific situation. Because every individual and business has unique circumstances, the information discussed today may not apply to your specific needs. If you'd like personalized guidance, I invite you to contact Topaz Business Solutions to schedule a consultation. We'd be honored to discuss your unique situation and develop a strategy tailored specifically to your personal or business goals. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Let's Talk Wealth Wednesday. If you found today's episode helpful, I'd love for you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could benefit. And don't forget to explore the other episodes in our Let's Talk Wealth Wednesday series. Remember, knowledge creates confidence, strategy builds opportunity, wise stewardship creates lasting wealth. God bless, and I'll see you next Wednesday.